Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Raina Zainab and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now adding some news from Jeddah. According to our bureau chief, Saudi Arabia Amin Faiz national flag was raised at the Consulate General of Pakistan premises at the national anthem played in the background and a large number of community members in attendance to mark the National Day of Pakistan. Furthermore, special messages from the President, the Prime Minister of Pakistan and the Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister of Pakistan were read to commemorate the significant day. Consul General of Pakistan in Jeddah, Mr. Khalid Majid, in his remarks on the occasion, underlined the significance of this day and spoke about the strong bonds between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia, describing it as a brotherly relationship that is deeply rooted in history. Emphasizing on the importance of the day, Majid said, "This day is a reminder of the sacrifices made by founding father of Pakistan to secure separate homeland for the Muslim of subcontinent. It is a day to reflect on the ideals of unity, faith and discipline that were espoused by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan." The Consul General also expressed his deep admiration of Pakistani community living in Jeddah and their contribution toward promoting the economic development of Kingdom Saudi Arabia and brotherly relation between the two countries. A cross-section of Pakistani diaspora and representative of ethnic media attend the event. 23rd March marked the historical occasion in his history of Pakistan, and it was on this day that the Lahore Resolution was passed in 1940. This resolution declared that Muslims in India were a separate nation and demanded a separate homeland for themselves. The resolution paved the way to creation of Pakistan in 1947. The event concluded with a collective prayer and supplications for the peace, welfare and prosperity of Pakistan.
जानब से सऊदी अरब में बसने वाली तमाम पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी को दिल की अथाह गहराइयों से मुबारकबाद पेश करना चाहूँगा। अल्लाह ताला ने इस अजीम महीने में ये तोहफे खुदाबंदी हमें अता किया, इसलिए हम जितना भी अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करें तो कम है। हम सबको बेशतर पाकिस्तानी आज इस बात का अहद करना चाहिए कि हमारे मुल्क की तामीर तरक्की के लिए हर मुमकिन कोशिश करेंगे। हम इस मौके पर अपने ब्रादर मुल्क सऊदी अरब के भी मशहूर हैं, जो थे इसकी लीडरशिप की और इसके अवाम के कि जिन्होंने इतनी बड़ी तादाद में पाकिस्तानियों को यहाँ पे वाज़ेह तरीके से रोज़गार के वहम मौके फराहम किए हुए हैं और ये हर मुश्किल वक्त में पाकिस्तान का साथ देता है।